Hello everybody and welcome to London Lessons, our channel here on YouTube, where you're going to learn Brazilian Portuguese as it's spoken in Brazil. First of all, some greetings. So you can start saying hi, which is in Portuguese is oi, oi, oi. If you don't like oi, you can say hello, which in Portuguese would be olá, olá, olá. So we have an option to say oi or olá. The next thing is important to know how to greet someone and say how are you or how are you doing or how are you going. So how are you in Portuguese would be como está você? Como está você? Como está você? The word obrigado, which means thank you, has to agree with the person speaking. Remember, Portuguese has genders, so everything is either masculine or feminine. But this word itself, whenever you use it and you are saying thank you to someone, it has to agree with us and not with them. So if the person speaking, the speaker is a man, he will always say obrigado, 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 obrigado. Okay, so the ending there, o, is because I am a man, so it's agreeing with me. Okay, even if I'm talking to a woman. A woman, on the other hand, would say obrigada, obrigada, obrigada. Yeah, so a, and the a because generally words ending a in Portuguese, they are feminine words. So they are agreeing with themselves, they are saying obrigada. Sometimes when greeting someone and someone replying to you, we may hear the word muito, muito. The word muito means very. Although it sounds a bit nasal, that it sounds like it has an N, it doesn't. So you can see the spelling there on your screen, and it sounds like an N, but there is no N there at all. So muito. So in a phrase, it would be like this: Eu estou muito bem. Eu estou muito bem, obrigado. So, olá, como vai? Tudo bem? Eu estou muito bem, obrigado. E você? Muito bem, obrigado. The most common way of saying goodbye is the word ciao. Ciao. It sounds like Italian, but spelling is different, and in Portuguese it only means goodbye. In Italian, if you meet someone, you may say ciao. In Brazilian Portuguese or in Portuguese, if you meet someone, if you say ciao, they leave. So it only means goodbye. If you don't like the word ciao or if you prefer not to use it, you can say até, até mais. See ya. Até mais. Até mais. Or you can say see you soon. Até logo. Até logo. Or you can say see you later. Até mais tarde. Até mais tarde. So let's have a dialogue using the words from hi to goodbye. Oi, como vai? Tudo bem? Eu estou bem, obrigado. E você? Como está? Eu estou bem, obrigado. Até mais. Tchau. This is the end of our session 1, part 1, video 1, lesson 1 here at London Lessons on our channel on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed it and keep practicing. Watch the video as many times as you need and repeat, 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 and trying to memorize those phrases, those set of words as much as you can. And I'll see you next lesson where you should learn to count some numbers, and ask and answer about age. See you then. Goodbye. Ciao.